Myth number 8. We need to use the laser to help you achieve the most precise, accurate, and safe results and get the best result with your cataract or lens replacement surgery.
Which was in essence a sophisticated heat beam which we called a laser. Using these lasers,
we used the femtosecond laser for cataract and lens replacement surgery from 2012 until 2021. And in my opinion, it makes the average cataract or lens replacement surgeon marginally better. But for an excellent surgeon with excellent skills and clinical and surgical judgment, the femtosecond laser requires more time to do the surgery, increases the risk of complications and the side effects. It does not make the cataract surgery safer. We stopped using the femtosecond laser for cataract surgery in 2021, and since that time we found that our complication rate went down and our efficiency went up. An excellent surgeon with great hands, great skill, and great judgment will outperform an excellent surgeon who uses a femtosecond laser for cataract surgery.